Good afternoon, everyone. It's JT Ippolito for Sync Media Network. We're here at the new restaurant here at Red Rock Casino and Hotel. Lotus of Siam, well known in the city for eons. They had a particular fire at their main location, so they opened up another one here in Summerlin. As you can see, it's stunning. All bamboo. Great wine selection. Oh, and look at all the Asian baskets. How cool is that? I don't know if any of them are vintage or not. Still great for decoration. Beautiful decorations and decor. I think you should check it out. Their menu is outstanding and the prices are reasonable. So I'm going to send it back to you in the studios. JT Ippolito for Sync Media Network. Like, follow, and share on all social media.